did the lion say? Roar! Roar!
Hello and welcome to Celebrity Home. Luis Manzano, napakomento ng hay nako Peanut, sa bagong video ng kanyang mag-ina. Nakakaaliw kasi ang bonding nina Jessie Mendiola at baby Isabella Rose, kung saan napakagaling na tinularan si Jessie ng kanyang anak, kung paano ang tunog ng layon. Marami naman sa mga netizen ang natuwa sa video na ito nina Jessie at baby Peanut.
What did the lion say? Roar! Roar!
There's a reason to believe again when faith is nowhere to be found. Try to find the strength to try again and still